So here we are camping on the Rogue River. It's 37 degrees out. We're off the Oregon coast now. We're going to be heading inland in farther. So it's even supposed to be getting hotter as we go further inland east. What I've got today, you saw me, I was making my AC unit brackets, welded brackets here, and they're going to get put up there into place. My AC right on top of there, and I ran a hard line plug for the AC unit there. So stay tuned and you can watch me build this thing. By the way, this area, this piece of bracket that I made here, it's out of wood, and it is going to go inside the opening in the window. It's cut the same shape as the window is, and the AC unit is going to fit tight around here, and this is going to seal the sides and across the top as well. So, because the AC unit's different size. So, there we are.
I should make note here is that the AC unit that we have that goes in the window is functioning only on shore power or generated power. So without either one of those two, it will not run. This AC unit is the smallest one we could find at the time. It is a 5,000 BTU unit and draws minimal amount of power.
And there we have it. It's in. It's finished. It's all sealed. Come check this out. The best part about this whole thing is it only took minutes to put in, and I made one mistake. I should have got into some shorts before I started. So here's the bracket. It's all in and mounted. This is an amazing system that I put together, fabricated out of some more rebar and some square tube, and there it is there. So the actual unit has gone in and is in there tight, and it fits tight. Seals all the edges around there. Hardwired this in here, and well, let's go inside for the moment of truth. Here we go. It's all tucked in there. He's gonna reach through here and turn on. Yeah, I'll show you. See, it's all sealed up and around here and around here. It's perfect. What's that? That's a cold breeze blowing. We might be having wine inside tonight. I don't know. We'll see. But we're gonna let that cool down. So there you have it. That is my AC hack, multi-purpose AC hack. We use this AC unit for our trailer up at Cultus Lake, and now it's first time use out in practice on my AC bracket that I put together a couple weeks ago, that you've seen me build. So there we have it. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, will you? We appreciate the support, and every little bit helps. Trust me, it does. And yeah, so Bruce, Donna, and Diesel from the Geerage.